Good afternoon, Baghdad. Now is almost 3:30 or quarter to 4. It's lunchtime here. So, this is the recipe of Madam. She making the oven. And this one is parang atsara. Kung sa Pilipinas pa kaso, marapov. Cabbage, ginabot yata. So, with suka or vinegar, taste vinegar. Okay, see. That's what she do. That one is remaining na lang. And they make the rice. I think they make the rice is the yellow with what's that messy. That is the rice. Yeah, this one. Okay, with rice, this one. I forgot what's the name of the yellow one. I don't know, I forgot. Yeah, if you know this one, you know already. Okay. Adas, parang adas. The yellow adas yata, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think so. That's what I know. Rice with the others, they mix together, so, but it's nice. It's a good taste. Okay. So, I'm making the oven. I clean pa that one later. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to thank you to support my YouTube channel again, and shout out to all of us nationwide and worldwide, to all you make subscribe of my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out nationwide and worldwide, and shout out to those person also, to those people also that you make subscribe to my channel. Yay! And those subscriber of me also shout out to all of us as what I'm telling again. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all of us, to my own families, both sides, to my mother, to my father, that ipasawi already, and to my niece, mga apo-apo, lahi to lahi, angkan to angkan, to my employers, to my alaga, to my friends, to my batchmate in the high school, in the elementary, in the college, my co-workers, mga all OFW sa iba't ibang countries. Okay? And lahat sa tanan-tanan, nationwide and worldwide, sa butayes na yun, that is already understand, okay? Sabay pang ganun. Kasi ang hirap-hirap mag-shout out every each of them, each of us, as kasali na ako dyan, diba? Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Keep safe and God good health now and forever. Amen. Bye-bye.